What's up guys, and welcome to the 37th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial it's all about pointer arguments to multiple dimensional arrays. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is type in void display calendar int cal square brackets, more square brackets with number 7 inside it, space, curly braces, now std cout, print out all the dates, so Sunday, okay, put that on a new line, close that off. Now a for loop, so for week equals 0, week is less than 5, and then increment week. That's all you need to do for this part, and then more curly braces, for initialization as int day equals 0. Go to the condition, which is day is less than 7, increment day, and then we can eliminate things we don't need. So we can eliminate the statement and say int day or int dt equals cal the week as we put in and the day. Okay, so and then close that off, go to the next line and say if condition is dt std cout std set w, three, and then dt, close that off. After this we can say std cout and then a new line, okay, and then we can go right to the top and say include IO man IP, close that off. We need a hashtag here as well, not to forget. So there you go. Close that off. We'll delete that. Okay, now we're still getting some errors, but not to worry. So this should do it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And I go to the main function and say int main static int calendar (5 weeks, 7 days in a week) equals curly braces, and now we need to write all the days in the month. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, close that off, comma, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, That is correct. Just space it out correctly. So if I was to say space that, after the comma, start spacing everything. You'll see why in a minute. Space that out too. Close that off. Move on to the next line. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Get rid of that, we don't need that. Curly braces, comma, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, space, curly braces, comma, next line, curly brace, 29, 30, 31, there's an error here, it says a dot, put that into a comma, close that off. Next line should be curly braces with semicolon. After this we should say display calendar with calendar. Close that off with a semicolon. And that should do it, but we are getting so many errors. Let's just run through this and see where the errors are at. Void display calendar, int cal, yes. Less than, yes, that's correct now. Okay, we have sorted out all the errors. So, this one to this one, yes, yes. Let's run this and now see what we get. Build succeeded. We have a problem because all the days, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the dates are all on Sunday. If that was the case, we'd have around 300 and something days in a week, but that's not the case. So now we need to remove some things that are causing the problem, such as we can just cancel this out and see what happens. Run that again. So that's giving us a problem. This needs to be removed. That also needs to be removed. If we get rid of this for a while, run this now and see what happens. Build succeeded, and there you go. That's what we have. So we have a program that is a pointer argument to multiple dimension arrays, where it says void display calendar right at the top. This is where we declare a multiple dimension array. Right at the bottom where it says static int calendar, pass the address of the array to the function, and where it says display calendar, a function that accepts the address of a multiple dimension array. That's all this program is all about. It took some time before we were able to compile this, but we got there eventually. So let's just run this again and see what happens. Don't show this message, add. Okay, build succeeded, and then we have all the days of the week. We have the calendar itself. So we made a calendar just from code. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for now.